to this training session, and this is going to be a very quick one. And all I'll be showing you here is how to use these 5 prompts to create stunning results using AI. For the purpose of this demonstration, we are going to focus on ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a foremost AI tool that does quite a lot, from creating stories to writing letters to generating images, analyzing videos to answering all sort of questions, for helping all ages of learners to learn a whole lot from one single location. ChatGPT is there. So I'm going to the taking the first prompt now, just show you how to use it, and I hope you enjoy this. So we're going to take the first one. That's create a short bedtime story for a 5-year-old child named Simi about kindness and friendship. Okay, so I have my Grammarly trying to correct what I'm writing. You can change that, and you just click on this send button here. ChatGPT reads, analyzes, and let's see what it gives us. Okay. Wow. 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 So you can see Simi and the little star. Once upon a time in a cozy little village, there lived a cheerful girl named Simi. One night as she looked out her window, she saw a tiny star twinkling very close. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Wow, this is wonderful. I mean, so let's just go. So let's take from 2. So I want to change, tell ChatGPT to turn this story into a 3-page children's storybook. So I just say turn this is a prompt. We call this a prompt. Instructions we give into ChatGPT. Turn this story into a 3-page storybook for children with simple English or with simple language. Let me just write in English. Simple expressive language. Okay, let's see what that gives us. Storybook, simple, and let's go. Absolutely. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? I've transformed your bedtime story into a 3-page children's storybook format with simple expressive language. Each page has text showing up for reading aloud and natural pauses for illustrations. Title, Semi and Little Star, page 1. Can you see? This is so wonderful. Parents, teachers, even children can use this to learn and to create what, oh my god, illustration like this, seemingly near a glowing little star in the garden. So when we need to add pictures, if we go on with this, you now know the right thing to do. This is extremely wonderful. All right, I'm so happy we're learning a lot. Let me move to prompt 3. Okay, create a cartoon style illustration. So I just want to give ChatGPT a random, assignment to do now, of a happy child, or maybe we use Simi there, of Simi playing in the garden. Cartoon style illustration of Simi playing in the garden. I think ChatGPT mentioned that somewhere. Simi near a glowing little star in her garden. Okay, in her garden. All right, let's see. Wow, ChatGPT is creating the image. Let's see what comes up. Let's see what comes up. Okay, a few more seconds, I believe. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my God. Can you see that? Can you see that? So you can use this at home, at school. You could save it. You could print it out and put it in the child's room. You could use it to create cards. You're trying to illustrate the story. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. Wow. This is extremely beautiful. Okay, so my next prompt. Let's go. I want to tell ChatGPT to create 3 questions um, for this story. 3 questions which I can include which I can include at the end of this story. Okay, or that I can include at the end of the story. Okay, let's see. End of the story. Let's see what happens. So you can see how AI is helping us. Oh, here are three simple thoughtful questions you can include at the end. Who is Simi's new friend and how did she help them? Why do you can you see this is so wonderful for children, for teachers, for education, for parents, for anyone. You could use this to do anything. Can you think of a time you helped a friend? How did it make you feel? Oh, okay. I will need to round up this video in a few minutes. Let me just take something different, just one more prompt. Let's see how ChatGPT AI works. So I want ChatGPT to so I'm going to tell ChatGPT act like a nursery school teacher and create a riddle for a 2-year-old child. Or let me make it 3-year-old child. You see what ChatGPT gives me? It's a simple form riddle suitable for a 3-year-old riddle. I'm yellow and round, shine up in the sky, and wake you up in the morning. Who am I? Who am I? I definitely am the sun. I'm yellow and round, I shine up in the sky, I wake up in the morning. Who am I? So you see, ChatGPT is already telling me I can make three more playful ones with animals or toys if you want. Oh, I like that, but we have to stop here. So this is just a little of what we're going to be doing. I'm someone who likes to, teach and train children, one teenagers, adults, and AI is something that's come to stay. And for a while, I've been doing a lot of things around tech and AI, and I hope you'll be able to take advantage of some of the offers we have, e classes, e lessons, trainings that we're going on to learn a lot all we have in the world of tech, both for children, for adults, and AI has come to touch every area of life. And with the little you've watched, the other videos that will be coming up, other products that you can subscribe to, buy, and get access to learn deeper and become better and knowledgeable in AI. Thank you so much. Do have a nice day. Bye.